Camping ang pinaka-paborito ko sa lahat ng activity namin kasi sa maraming dahilan. Una, it's one way for me to isolate the kids from the technology, sa mga cellphone, sa mga TV, in which I can bring the family even closer together. Pangalawa is it's much cheaper than bringing them to the mall and buying expensive toys for them. And also, I'm giving them the chance to adopt with the nature, enjoy and explore, and hopefully I'm creating a good memories for them to cherish it for the rest of their lives. Na sana someday they will do the same thing for their future families. Yun. Kaya yun yung mga dahilan ko kung bakit gusto kong mag-camping. Kasi nailalayo ko sila sa city, sa crowd, hindi tulad dito, peaceful. Saka natututo rin sila. This is the real world. The world doesn't need you. You need the world, so you gotta enjoy it. You gotta go out there and explore it. Enjoy it, love it. Right, wicked boy? B-L-I-P-P-I. There you go, it's Blippi. Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to draw smiley. Circle with the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and a little bit of hair. Look at that. Is that you? That's you. Hello YouTube, welcome back to our channel. Today is a long weekend and we are heading out to Moose Mountain Lake. We're gonna pass by Lake Canusi first. We're gonna go see what we can find there, maybe explore the area, and then and of course, I'm taking my whole family. My wife is the driver, and Ricky boy and Ray Studios daughter. Say hi. Kita pa yun. Wow.
Beautiful eyes, Aya.
Beautiful eyes. Hi, my daughter.
Blow kiss.
Can you give me a beautiful eyes? Blow kiss. Wow. Nice one. Ricky.
Ricky, a blow kiss to ano ko.
Ricky. Rick. Say hi.
Hi, Daddy.
Stay tuned and we shall enjoy. Beautiful. Wow. Medyo cloudy, but it's okay. I like it that way.
Medyo.
Okay. There you go, guys. We are here at Moose Mountain Lake. I don't know, we're gonna find Canusi first. Medyo nawawala kami. Hanapin natin ang Canusi Lake. Look at that.
Golf course. Yeah. Do you wanna go?
Walk around and spend at least 1 hour and ice cream. Ang ganda na ice creaman nila. Uy!
Dinat.
Dito. Talaga. Tara, puntahan natin doon. Yung. Ang ganda ng lake. May paliguan sila rito eh. Kaso ang lamig eh. Sayang din yung kayak. Ayan oh, hindi ko dala yung fishing rod. Sarap para mag-fishing oh. Lake nila oh. Hi, Yang.
264.
Yeah, we're gonna go find our spot.
266.
268.
267.
Right here?
Yeah. 268?
Yeah, 268. Wow, I like it. It's beautiful. I love it, I love it, I love it. Sa mga camping spot, ganito yung gusto ko kasi very isolated siya. meron siyang privacy kasi may mga bushes dyan. Yan, diba? So papapalagpag natin yung sasakyan para hindi tayo makita. Ngayon set up tayo ng mga tent habang itong mga to ay magkukuloring. Oh, excuse me. Habang busy sila, set up tayo. Lumabas ka, pinto-pinto ito man.
Pinagposte lang dito eh.
Yan, set up tayo ng ilaw. Yung ilaw ko galing sa trabaho to, ginawa ko lang sa trabaho. Ilaw ng mga refrigerator, sana gumana. Kung hindi, wala tayong ilaw. Dito naman yung kusina namin. At magpa-fire fit kami dito mamaya. Mamayang gabi. Okay, Ricky boy. I'm gonna teach you how to cook.
Not hot.
Okay. See, can you hold this one?
And this one, anak ko. Here, right here.
See? Crack it like that. And open it. Whoa. That's so cool, okay? Don't be scared. Ooh.
Okay, you cook
Okay.
na.
Come here. Stand up. Wow. And mix it up real good like that. Yeah. Wow. Good job, Ricky boy. Now you can cook. You're
Now
a chef
you
now.
can cook your egg.
Chef Ricky.
How about you, Ayang? What are you doing, Ayang?
See, try to hold. Wow, that's so many scoop. Oh, properly. Good job. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Boy. Here. Now sit down. Very good. Now you can eat. That's the taste. You like it? You like it, Ricky boy? Ah, it's so hot, eh?
How about you, Ayang? Hindi ka pwede ng naman.
High five. Good job. How about you, Ayang? Still busy? You gonna be a teacher someday?
Here.
Ni ang merienda piniri. Pagkatapos yung setup namin ng mga tent, maghanap muna kami ng pwedeng paglaruan nila Ricky and Zendaya. Ano dito kung ito ang spot, oh. Ito. Kasi mababa ka na lang. Oh, lupit dito, oh. Ano ba? Camper. Naan muna tayo ng kahoy. Come here, Ricky boy. Come here.
Dito, daktal ko matalam, daddy. Yeah. Okay. A little helper.
That's good. No, that's okay. Just leave it there.
Oh no, Ricky. It's okay. Just put the wagon inside.
Just put the wagon inside.
Aya, did you say hi? What?
Ooh, look at that lake. Beautiful. Aba. Aba siya. Wow. Bayabang ah. Go. Banat. Is it cold? Is it cold?
Hey Yang. Hey Yang, are you okay there?
Okay, let's go na. Okay, let's go na. Wala, hinintay namin yung sunset. Pero medyo makulimlim ngayon. Magpo-bonfire na lang yun. Let's go. That was fun. Right, Ricky boy? Okay, so ngayon mag-start tayo ng bonfire. Tapos magluluto tayo ng specialty ni Mrs. Yung kabab. Yan. Galing ni Mrs. maggawa ng kabab eh. Ito? Okay.
Put it in the fire.
You're too close. Yummy. Yummy. Okay, put it in the fire. So ito yung prepare ni Mrs. na iihawin. Siya yung nag-prepare nito kasi hindi ako marunong magluto eh. Tapos meron din siyang minarinate na pork. Yan, lutuin natin. Kaso wala tayong veggie. Walang vegetables ngayon. Yan, umuiyak na ako sa usok ng iniihaw ko. Ang lakas ng apoy ah. And that. Sarap. Yun guys, medyo lumalalim na ang gabi. Papatulogin ko na tong mga batang to kasi ang kukulit na. Ilaw ng rep oh. Liwanag. Hindi nga lang niya kayang pailawin yung ilan kasi 8 lang yung kaya nung balas natin. Tapos naglagay din ako ng isa dyan. Libre yung yung ilaw natin. Hi! What you guys? Ayan. Antok na tong isa. Yung isa, wala. Sige. Hey. That's enough. Go to bed. Okay, good night na. Good night. Okay. Good night. Good night, boy. Good morning, guys. That was a good sleep. Membing pa yung mga tulog ng mga bata. Ako ay talagang tulog na tulog kagabi. Ang sarap matulog dito. Medyo malamig. May 2 heater kaya okay lang. Makasurvive naman. Good morning. How's your sleep? Prepare kami ng breakfast ng mga bata. Anong pagkain?
Spring rolls for the kids and egg.
Mag-barbecue tayo. Barbecue kami ni Mrs. Tapos egg and spring roll naman yung mga bata. Ayan, kain tayo. Shanghai burger tsaka banana. Bash. Narinig ko na yung panganay. Morning, boy. Come on. Come on out and then let's go play. Come on, lazy boy. Oh. Lazy boy. Come on, boy. You gotta mix it up. Yeah. Good job. See? One more. My crackets? Yeah. Okay, that's good. Oh! Nice one, Mickey boy.
Nice. Nice.
No.
Nice.
Yes.
It's okay. Punasan mo ito yan.
Nice. You sure you? No. Push your socks on.
Apple seed. Hot.
Hot. Wait.
So hot.
Yeah.
So this
Yeah. Put some salt. Yeah.
Yeah, but really would.
What are you cooking, Ricky boy?
Nice. What you call that? Sinangag, daddy?
Sinangag? Fried rice? Huh?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. It's okay.
Kat na off mood manan.
Uh-oh.
Daddy, I need your lighter.
It's windy.
Okay, go there na. What's that? Cheese.
Put some cheese on it.
No cheese.
Kung anong naghihintay na activity para sa amin ngayong araw na to. One day lang kami kasi bukas may trabaho na naman. And I think this will be our last camping for the summer. No. Next week ay abangan natin yan kasi mas marami tayong adventure. Dahil uuwi kami sa Pilipinas. Sana makapag-camping tayo doon, no? Kaya mag-fishing. Ay, fishing hindi na siguro.
It's not a fishing, it's batok tikurita.
Batok tikurita.
Darwin, we're gonna try the bangka. Gonna ride on the bangka and dive in the middle of the sea and look for octopus.
Pugita. So yun, abangan natin yan. Kain muna tayo. So yun guys, that was a great weekend. It was a good day, a good weather, and we enjoyed it. So thank you so much for watching. And now, magliligpit na kami at bukas ay may pasok na naman. Right, and lipit muna kami dito and then we gonna explore the area kung ano pang pwede namin tingnan. Hinahanap ko yung trail nila dito sa Moose Mountain kaso nga lang hindi ko mahanap. At saka wala kasing signal dito kaya hindi namin mahanap. So paglabas namin, titingnan ko kung may signal. Subukan namin puntahan yan. Pero ngayon, ligpit muna tayo. Okay, Wiki Boy. Let's go home. Bye bye.
Docking and fishing area.
Yeah. Fishing area. Pwedeng mag-fishing. Okay nga, fishing area. Pwedeng mag-fishing dito eh. Oh. Di ba? Tapos daungan ng mga Verco. Yun, yung sa isla doon ang gusto kong puntahan. Yung mga dry woods doon. Sorry about the resolution. Medyo ano. Sayang, hindi ko dala yung kayak. Pupuntang ko sana yun. Yung mga gusto kong ano eh. Part ng adventure eh. Yung hindi mo ine-expect. Yung pupuntahan mo na lang basta. Tapos nagugulat ka, may mga wolf tsaka mga ano pala doon, tigre, mga buhaya. Tara. Wala akong fishing gear ngayon. Kaya wala. I spend most of my time for the kids. Kaya wala akong fishing gear. Next time pag kasama ko ang barkada, balik tayo dito. Maganda dito. Ganda to no? Di ba? Ang lawak oh. Maraming isda dyan. Hanapin natin yung slide. O yan, yung trail. Yung kabilaan yung lake. Kaya maraming pwedeng pag-fishingan. Tapos diyan yung campsite, oh. Ba?
Yeah, campsite dito. Yan, campground dito.
Maganda yan kasi maliit lang yung lake. Mas madaling huliin yung isda. Parang dito nga yung trail. Ano, Tinosi Boys and Girls Camp, Horseshoe Campground. Oh, meron ding horseshoe. Yun ang sinasabi nila. Yun, meron akong nakita ang spot na pwedeng mag-fishing. Oh, pwede dito. Okay, yan lang siya. Mga kahoy na dry. Marami siguro ng isda dito. Wanna go horse riding, Mickey boy? Ano yan? Ayun ito, horse riding. Mga pre. Oh, dito naman another spot for fishing.
Ada pagkampingan dito eh.
Yes, good. I don't know. Mag-ride ngayon kasi yung horse riding talaga is 1 hour. Hanggang alas 10 lang wala kaming oras. Ito lang mga maliliit ang mag-ride sa pony.
Yang garampa picture kayo daddy. It's a horse.
Get my little cat. And his name is Scooby.
Say hi, Scooby.
Scooby. Hey, here you go. You want to pet him? You want to just get on and sit on him? Okay.
I see.
Na horsey anak ko.
It's a cool.
Horsey. You hold.
Yeah, her feet won't fit. So that. Just slide your butt over a little more. Hold on here. Hold on tight. Go 3 times around 3 times.
Go again. Can't go behind them. Hey Yang, you okay? Hey Yang. Hi mommy. Hi mommy. Are you okay?
Hey Young. You like it? Careful. Oh, be careful. Enjoy yung mga bata.